Hi guys, this is Vishal from Trapco. So in this video, we'll just see how to copy the data of an existing record and create a new record from the data and then change if needed something in that particular record. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So we have a collection called product, and let's say we already have a list of product. Now let's say I want to build the capability to clone this product. Maybe I don't want to give all the information again. I just want to clone this product, change some of the things and create a new product from this existing product. Because if I go and create a new product now, it will open me a blank form. I don't want a blank form. I want a form which should be pre-filled from the data from where I am coming, and then from there create a new record. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So first we'll try to create the copy of the same collection item in the item of the same collection. And in one more example, we'll see if we want to copy the data of product collection to some other collection. Okay, so we'll see both the cases. The product name, manufacturing date and all. So I'll come here. So this is a blank. Okay, I don't want a blank. I want data to come pre-filled. Okay, and then I should be able to change it. So let's see how that can be done. So I'll go and create a page. It's a clone product. Okay, and then everything is same. So I'll just create. So what I'll do, I'll put a button which will take me to this clone product page, but it will show me the product form pre-filled. And when I submit the form, it will create a new product. So I've created a page. Okay, now go to the collection and bind product. Why we are binding it? Because when we come from the product to this page, I want the data to be pre-filled. So I'm binding the collection that on this page, I want to use the data which is coming from the product, right? So let's update. It's fine. Now let's submit bar component. Okay, and then build the form. Okay, it's a section, one column layout, drop a collection form. It's a collection product. Okay, so now this is here. Let's go and create an event. Save new clone product. Okay, very simple. I'll just say in the collection, save data, product, saved, error, and then I'll just redirect it to the list page, product list page from where we are coming. Okay, which is product list page. That's all. I'll go back to my form and just bind this particular event. Save new clone product. Okay. So now let me show you something and then I'll come back here. Okay. Let's go to the product list page and here add a button. Or let's just change this button only. I'll say clone product. Okay. In the settings, I'll say take me to the clone product page. That's all. Parent component and all these remain same. Okay, so it will take me to the clone component page and with the ID of this particular product so that my data remains pre-filled. Okay, I'll show you. I'll go to the page, clone product. Okay, so it will take me to the clone product page and you see the data is coming pre-filled. Now, if I go and submit this button, it will create a new product, but the data is coming from my previous product so that I don't have to fill everything again. I can just change whatever I want to change. Let's say instead of 222, I would say 222A, and then price. Let's say I want to change the price to from 0 to 20 and submit. But this will not work, I'll tell you. Okay, it is showing me error. So this is what we want to cover here. Why it is not working? We go to the clone product page. I'll go to the event. So by default, this is a form where a collection is binded to the page. So it behaves like an edit form, right? It is trying to update an existing product, but here we are creating a new product. So we have to change this method from put to post. And I'll choose this skip item ID. So this is also needed. And I'll just say save. Now I come back here and reload the page. Before this, now let's go how many products we already have. I'll go to my product collection. So there are 4 products, and this is the one which we are working with. So now let's say I'm just creating a copy of this product. Okay, so I'll say copy of product 22, some price, and I'll say submit. So this time I'm not updating an existing record. I am saying create a new record. That's why I have changed the method. Okay, and I'll say submit. So this time it worked, right? So if I go to my collection, now we have a copy of product 2, which is a new product copied from product 222, right? So the only thing what we did extra is when you're creating a new data from a page which is binded to a collection, make sure that you change the method from put to post and skip item ID. So we are saying don't send the item ID which is binded to the page, create a new record, right? Now let's say I want to copy the same, let's say from this product, I want to create some other collection. So let's say, let's go and create a collection, cosmetic product. Okay. Now I want to create a product, a cosmetic product from the existing product. I'll say name, I'll just copy 2 fields. Okay, I'll say name and I'll say price. Okay, so now I have master list, which is a product, and I want to create a cosmetic product from that master sheet. So let's see how that can be done. Okay, so we are copying the data from product collection to cosmetic product. Okay, here I'll say create cosmetic product. Okay, just copy it so that I don't have to build it from scratch. Okay, I'll just delete this form, it's not needed. Okay, so now in this page, I'll go to the settings and bind this product collection. Why is needed? Because we want to show the data from product collection to be pre-filled, and the new object or the new record which this page will create will be of cosmetic product. Okay. Now let's go and create an event. So I'll say create cosmetic product from product. In the event, I'll say in the collection, save data. In which collection? Now we'll say save in the cosmetic product. Saved error. Then redirect me to wherever you want to go. So let's go back to the product list page. Okay. Now I'll go back to my form and bind this event. Drop the collection form. So the collection binded to this page is product, but this collection form will be of cosmetic product because we are creating a cosmetic product from a product, right? In the event, I'll say create cosmetic product from product and the method is post, right? So basically it will create a new record. Now I want to show the data pre-filled. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll say get content from product because product is binded to this collection and name is fine, right? Same thing here. I'll go to the price and say get from product and price from product, right? So what we are saying, we are coming from a product item to this page where it will show the data of that product pre-filled, and on this page we will create a cosmetic product object, right? So this is fine. Now let's go to the product list page and bind the link to this page. Okay, so I'll drop a component, let's say link. Okay, and here I'll say take me to create cosmetic product path, take the ID of this particular product so that the data gets pre-filled, right? And then so let's say I'll say create cosmetic product. Okay, and I'll just change this to btn warning, just changing the color of the button, making it small. Okay, that's all. Now let's go to the product list page. So I'll just reload the page. Now I am trying to create a cosmetic product from the product collection, right? So I'll say create cosmetic product. Let's try this one this time, product 66. So here the data is coming pre-filled because on the product we have mentioned that get value from product and field of product, which is name. Same thing here, we have mentioned get value from product and the field is price, right? So this mapping you will have to do so that the data comes pre-filled. Now, if we create a new record from this page, it will create a object of cosmetic product. Okay, let's say I'll say cosmetic product 666 price, let's say 300. So I'm just copying the data from there. So there could be hundreds of fields and you just want to change maybe or one or two. So this thing is useful. We are just creating a clone or a copy of that particular data, right? So if I go to my cosmetic product collection, as of now, it should be blank because we've not created anything. Okay, now let's go and create this one. I'll just submit. It has saved the data and it directed me to the product list page. The cosmetic product will not be here because this is in some other table. If I go here and reload this, the data is here. Right. So this way we have created a cosmetic product object from product, right? So basically copying, so you can store it in the same collection, you can store it in the different collection. So there are several use cases where you want to copy an object, maybe change something or don't change anything at all. So this is how you will have to do. Need to change from put to post so that it creates a new collection. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.